Hi, welcome back to my channel. So we're doing another book review. I'm just loving these books. I hope you guys are enjoying the book reviews and looking at books, you know, and maybe you're going to be making a baby book and you're looking for some vintage children's type books. And you just don't know what to look for when you're at the thrift store or maybe online if you don't have access. So this is a way to see a lot of different books and see the whole book, and then see if this is something that you want to search for. Okay, so this is Anna, Growing Up on the Farm by Gil Davies, illustrated by Stuart Lees. So let's take a measurement. It is 9 1/4 by 12. So this is a large book. Has a dust jacket on it, but the original book is the same. Isn't that just gorgeous? And here is the spine, Anna, Growing Up on the Farm, Gil Davies, illustrated by Stuart Lees. It has a B on it. The letter B, I mean. Here's the back of the book. It's her blowing some bubbles. Yep. So the ISBN number is 185854. Oops, just trying to get it to zoom. There we go. -520-X. Okay. And a lot of times it's easier to search by the ISBN number. Okay, so let's take a look on the inside. Isn't that gorgeous? When I saw this book, I immediately grabbed it also. It's just fantastic. This would be beautiful for a, even, a baby book, for the later stages in a baby book. Maybe you want to make a treasured book, memories for your daughter. The images in here are just fantastic. So this is 1998. And so it's got full pages of poems on one side and then a beautiful illustration on the other. It is just gorgeous. Look at, oh, it's caught. Just fantastic. I mean, these pictures are just precious. Look at that with the mallards. Mom and daughter. Here's must be Grandma and Grandpa on the farm. Brother and sister, maybe. Other kids. Look, she's riding a pony. This is just a gorgeous one also here. I love the dragonflies and the lake. Here's the evening picture. Here is a new baby and scarecrow. Looks like it's fall time. The pictures are just fantastic. I love this book, Growing Up on the Farm. It's just awesome. And that was the back. You've seen that. So there you go. Maybe this, maybe you're looking for this type of pages for a journal that you're doing. So hopefully this helps you if you want to search for this type of content for your journal. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. All right. Bye-bye.